Okay, for the map tiles problem, the question is, given one description of a location in the map tile, print out the other one. So the description given in the input is what we call a quad key, which identifies in which subpart of the map the location is. So we divide the map into 4 regions called 0, 1, 2, or 3, and then we zoom into that region and use the same trick again. So for example, if we have the quad key 1, 3, 0, we start with the 1, we say, well, we zoom into this region, and then we can again divide this into the 4 subregions. We now have a 3 here, so we zoom into this subregion, and we divide this one again, and finally this is the subregion where we end up. The output of the problem should be a zoom level and the coordinates. So a map with 4 regions, the coordinates are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, or 1, 1. And again here we want to find the coordinates of this subregion. So the zoom level here is 3 because the length of the quad key is 3, so the zoom level is simply the length of the input quad key. And then the coordinates, we can find them by going over the digits, and every time we find the new digits, we multiply the coordinates by 2, and then we add 1 if it's in the bottom region or the right region. So to find the coordinates of this location, we start we start by the coordinates 0, 0, so x is 0 and y is 0. And then we see a 1, which is in the top part, so the y can stay 0, but it's in the right part, so we add 1 to x. So this is x. Then for the next digit, it's a 3, so that's both in the bottom and in the right part. So we first multiply the numbers by 2, and then we add 1 to both of them. And then finally the last digit is 0, so we only multiply by 2, and we don't need to add anything. And this gives us the coordinates x equals 6 and y equals 2.